Hey guys, it's Blake from Chasing Creative and welcome to the You Can Do It series. Today I'm going to be talking about post-production distribution from when you've recorded a video and how you can record a video very quickly to create lots of pieces of content and distribute that on YouTube using best practices, and then also chop it up into smaller bits that you can use for Reels and more. So I'll go through this really quickly. If you have any questions, please let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. So let's jump in. As you can see, I have Riverside.fm pulled up. It's a very great value subscription for creating video content on the cloud in real time. So you hook it up to your camera, your computer, and record at your desktop. You can also invite guests and record. But the reason I like this platform is I've been using it with a client and it creates wonderful transcripts of all the videos that you record, which is super helpful. It also has different features like cleaning up the audio, full episode generation after you're done, removing the pauses and the ums, and then magic clips to be able to include short form video content right here in Riverside FM. You can also use another platform called Opus Clip once you're done to take these final videos and upload to get AI generated captions and things like that, and then post directly to platforms in a few clicks. But today we're going to talk about Riverside and the process that I follow here in order to distribute content on YouTube, and what I could recommend to you to get this going and create content daily, because it's much easier when you get these processes down. So first, I've recorded a video. I'll quick show you what the editor looks like because it's phenomenal. Let's say I actually don't even need this first whole paragraph and I want to skip over to even their social media campaigns. It's easy to select, delete, and now I start from here. Same thing where maybe I want to finish up at a different word and I can go ahead and clip it here and be done. I can also go up here and pick the different dimensions I want, and it will reframe that actual video for me to post anywhere that I would like. It also has magic tools where you can enhance the audio. You can set the pacing. You could add branding like your logo really easily here to the corner. I always add mine in just because it's a little more professional to have that, and then it reminds people what you're creating content for. You can drop that there. You can edit the layout if there's multiple guests. You can add captions in with their pre-built captions, or you can have your own. You'll have to go through and make sure that the spelling and things are correct. Sometimes wording, brands, things like that don't get picked up. You can edit those quickly here on the side and add information as needed. And then you can also now add images. You can search and add an image that might relate to the content piece that you're talking to or talking about, and add that here to pop up to add a little bit more variety to the content you're putting out. But the reason I wanted to show you this is because what I like to do is after I'm done exporting the video here, and you can see if I go back, they'll give you a full exported video. You download, I upload for color correction if your camera settings are not dialed in the way you want, or you shoot flat like I do so you can edit afterwards, to a platform called Filmora. It's very inexpensive, powerful, has a lot of different features that you can use in the platform. And so I highly recommend Filmora for editing, and they keep adding more and more to the platform. It was very basic when I started, and now there's tons of different options. But you can use an editor tool, a video editor of your choice. I personally like this one, having it on my desktop. It works quickly, and it allows me to publish directly to YouTube. So when I'm done with a piece, I don't have to download it and upload it. I can put it right onto YouTube, onto my YouTube account, straight from my desktop, my Filmora, without having to log into multiple different places. But then what I need to do afterwards to dial in and best optimize my YouTube channel, as you can see, here's a video that I did. You need a summary and you need these timestamp descriptions. And what the best part of this is, and these key moments get highlighted when you call them out, it just makes your video look more appealing. And you can use video analytics from TubeBuddy to drive in and show you more different tags that you should have and content. But what you can do is take that transcript easily, copy, move it over to ChatGPT. I already have my ChatGPT customized. If you haven't done this yet, go in and customize your ChatGPT with OpenAI if you're using it, and give it custom instructions about your product and how you want to have your tone. It makes it much easier when you're doing prompts for your voice to sound consistent. And I already have a prompt in here that you can use. I'll add it to the description of this YouTube video that you can copy, but feel free to play around with this to your voice and then produce best results. But essentially what I'm looking for here is a really good intro that has a sales call to action using the past copywriting framework. And then also I want a title, a time stamp of that title, and description of the topics that I'm talking about throughout my video to keep the user engaged, or if they want to jump ahead to something I'm talking about, they can do that. So now what we're going to do, I've already told it here what I want it to do in the prompt, creating all of that. I'm just going to copy the transcript directly. and ChatGPT will go to work. I've probably done this 100 times now. I've mixed up the prompts, the variants of copy that I'm asking for, the different types of topic, but it will go through and read the whole video that I've exported and give me a title, a description based on the writing style that I asked for in the video chapters with timestamps. And these timestamps are super helpful because it helps the user or the viewer jump ahead to these different key topics. And I've asked for 5 in my prompt because I think there's a sweet spot. Like having 20 different chapters isn't going to help anybody. It's just going to make it more convoluted. So having those main topics within your video when you have long form video is important. So you copy that, you bring it over to your YouTube studio, and put it in here. Obviously do all the best practices, checking the boxes, making sure everything's optimizing, creating a thumbnail. And now you have a professional looking YouTube video that's live, and the post-production was very simple. This can take 15 to 20 minutes if you do it effectively. And once in a while you wanna go back and dial it in and check for SEO. And you can even give it keywords in that prompt of certain words you're trying to hit based on your YouTube discovery. And yes, now the video is live and you can see it gives these little key moments shout out. It also gives the timestamps and you can see that in real time. So this is an easy way to upload content from Riverside where you can record the content, do rough edits of where you want to start and stop as far as what you're talking about in the content matter. You can then export with all the different features and tools that they provide. You can upload it into a color correction tool to improve and just make it look more professional. You then can take that copy transcript and put it into ChatGPT in order to have something written up. And the best part about this too is I can say, now, please provide a LinkedIn post for this video. And it will remember some of these things and prompts that you've had before, so you don't have to always keep doing it, but it will give you general idea of now I have a post to be able to go live from start to finish. And now I have my distribution. And you can do this for multiple videos. You can ask for multiple edits. Personally, this one generated is too long. I'd say cut it down to 50%, add in the keywords and put the, actually the link in the comments versus direct the post for LinkedIn. That's generally what I do. And then you go live and you go to market. This is something I've used with real businesses and that they've executed to drive more traffic on LinkedIn and YouTube. This isn't something that's a secret sauce. There's many people doing this. I just think it's helpful to share this framework. I don't want to keep it to myself. I think it could be useful for you and your business. Please like and subscribe this video if you want more videos like this, and please shoot me a message at chasingcreative.io. You can book a meeting with me or find my email there. If you'd like to chat more about creating content and distribution, I'd love to help you and your business succeed. Cheers.